Okay, now share screen, share, and okay. So again, so we set the out point by hitting, clicking on in our timeline where we want it to be, and then hitting O. That's a scary shot. And then click on File, Export, and Media, and then it brings up. You don't have 100 things open like I do right now. So it brings up this page, and you want to make your settings H.264, so your format. So you click in, if you click in format, there's lots of different options. You want H.264. It's just the most number of people will be able to play that file using that. It should be match source, that should be already set, but if it's not, you can change it to match source high bit rate. You want it to be a high quality. You can change your title of whatever you're outputting now or later and set the location by clicking on that. I'm not gonna worry about that now. And then down here, you can look and make sure that the resolution and everything should be match source. So anything else I would want to check? You want to make sure that it's sequence in to out down here on the bottom left. And then you're going to click export, and then it's just going to run until it's fully exported. And that thing that gets exported, you want to play it on your desktop or what have you, and then send me that, or then use that or upload that to YouTube, what have you. If you send me the project file, which is like, I think .prv or PRG, I don't know, I can't remember. That just has all the reference data. So if I had all of your clips on my computer, then I could actually edit your reel with you or for you, but it's not the same as, it won't show me any of that stuff if I don't have that information, those clips. So does that make sense for everybody? Oops. Yeah, okay. So any of you, if you have any problems with that part of the process, please let me know. I will say, I know Premiere Pro is definitely, it's a learning curve, but for those of you who are able to use that, it just came up in the seniors are trying to work on dance films, and I was referencing some of the things that you could do, and I was showing them in that project that I just showed you how to composite, how to do some different things, and they're not working in Premiere Pro. And so all I want to say is, you guys, by the time you graduate, you're going to have some really good skills built up that will serve you in your professional life. So that made me feel good about you guys, and now I'm trying to set up meetings with those guys to help them catch up. So anyway, are there any other things? Again, for next week, 90 seconds to 2 minutes, a dance making a statement about where you're at right now. For Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, somewhere in there, Tuesday, it's fine. Anywhere in that general vicinity is absolutely fine in relationship to making this last project. For the two of you who are making a duet, I'm excited to see that. If anybody else is interested, I think it's an exciting possibility for the forum. And yeah, that's it. So we'll meet one more time next Friday, and just be in touch if you have any questions or issues in relationship to any of this material. Okay? All right, guys. All right, thank you. Have a good day.